Nan, babo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Tempura Crunch for sending us their products. And just to let you know guys that this is a feature video, so more than a review, this is a highlight of their products. So if you want to know more about the food on my table right now, samahan niyo po ako. Tara! Alright, so start off kung saan lahat nagsimula. So this is their Tempura Crunch. Ayan guys. Their first branch actually is started in Jumbo Genera Sindalan. After na kanilang opening ng first branch nila, they opened their second branch sa Jumbo Genera Dolores. Oh yeah. Yaman ah. Sarap guys. More finger food natin are squid rings and fish nuggets. Available sa mga dips naman nila is yung white sauce, which is yung garlic mayo, and of course yung tempura sauce. This is the classic tempura sauce. Ayan. Right now, I wanna taste this squid ring dito sa white sauce natin. Oh yeah. Crispy in the outside, while in the inside, it has that very recognizable texture ng squid. It's not malansa, so good job on the food preparation natin. Yeah. Overall, this one's really good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So isa-isahin natin yan guys. I wanna taste them all. This time, this is the fish fillet. Wow! So I'd like to comment yung overall na ginamit na batter dito, no? The ingredient that is used para maging crispy yung outside ng mga tempura natin. It's not salty. It doesn't overpower kung ano talaga yung meat na kailangan nating matikman. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sarap, grabe. Now, moving on guys, another cup. Another serving here. So ito naman yung kanilang mixed shrimp and crab tempura. So if you're looking for another variant of tempura on your menu, so available yung mga crab sticks natin dito. So this time, I wanna dip it here. Dito sa tempura sauce. Okay. Oh wow. So flavorful. Sobrang flavorful nung crab natin at the same time. Hindi siya dry sa loob. Oh wow. So, another fried dish na ni-request actually ng mga customers ni Tempura Crunch is yung kanilang chicken. So, since they have the classic tempura, they've added fried chicken. So, what I'm gonna do guys is, since we have a gravy here, I'm gonna pour it. This one's really, really good. Oh, wow. In sizes nila, lalaki ah. I mean, check the size of this drumstick here. Oh, wow. First bite, guys. You're gonna experience all the spices. What I'm trying to say is yung mga herbs and spices na inilagay nila dito are so evident. Meron tayo ditong this meal is actually complete in itself, no? Meron tayong rice shawarma. This is the rice shawarma. For those of you who are, hindi mabubuo yung meal mo kung walang rice. So this is available here. It also comes with the garlic sauce, white sauce. Let's taste it. Wow. So in this serving, yung pinaka-bottom niya, pinaka-foundation niya is of course the rice. The next layer are your vegetables. Next is yung kanilang, of course, yung pinaka-meat natin, beef shawarma. And then on top, you have a thick, huge strip of cheese. Wow! Now, for their shawarma, meron tayong jumbo. This is the jumbo Pita Shawarma Wrap. Take a look at this guys. This is so huge. This is an 8-inch shawarma. Inside it, of course, your shawarma ingredients, no? Meron din tayo mga budget meal na shawarma. I believe this is the 6 inches shawarma wrap. Lastly, the shawarma salad is also available. So meron tayong solo serving, meron din tayong shared serving. Ayan. Oh wow. Guys, sobrang dami nito. But, you know, then again, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Yung mga nagkikrave ng tempura, ng shawarma. Grabe guys. This is available at Manga.ph and Food Panda. They can also be contacted sa fan page na. We're gonna be flashing on your screens right now. Alright! Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. And until our next video, I hope to see you there. Stay safe and stay at home.